Alright everyone, welcome to the solution video for question 3 on while loop worksheet 2. We're going to create a program that grabs user input from the user. The rule is that the string input cannot contain numbers or any of these values. Okay, and we're going to make the user re-input the string if the input was invalid. Now, we're to complete this without using string indexing or use of a for loop. In our future units, this problem is going to get much easier because we get to use these two features. We're going to try it without it. It's going to be a very tedious program, but here we go. So first, I'm going to say while valid. So valid is going to be false. We're going to say while not valid. And then we're going to get user input is equal to input, enter a string. So at this point, valid is false, so not valid is true. So while valid is always false, I'm gonna loop. On line 15, I grab the user input, and we're gonna now test if it's valid. So, let's see. We can say if can't contain numbers, so user input, say 0 in user input. Right, valid is false. We're gonna go elif1 in user input. Valid is also false. So we're gonna be copying that a lot of times for all the numbers. As you can see, it becomes very tedious. Okay, so we can do that for 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we covered all our digits now. Now we need to look at our special characters, which are these guys here. I'm just gonna write a little comment so we can remember that. Can't have the pound symbol, exclamation mark. Can't have that symbol. Can't have $sign. Sentinel symbol. Components on some programming languages. And ampersand. Asterisk. So if all that is false, then we have valid true. And in the while loop, we're gonna say print user input is valid. Since I'm referencing user input outside of the while loop here, I want user input initialized at the top of our program, empty. So let's try our code. So if I did ABC123, it's not gonna let me because it has a number. So if I just do ABC1, it's gonna not let me ABC2, and we can do that for all the numbers. Let's test our special characters here. ABC pound, no. Just the pound, no. Exclamation mark, no. At symbol, money. Let's say we can copy all this, paste that in. Nope, we can't do that either. But let's say we wrote valid. Valid is valid. Has no characters or numeric characters inside our input. So we've ended our while loop. This was a tedious program. The reason I show this program now is that this is possible, but we get to utilize string indexing and for loop in our future units to make this program run so much better. Thank you for watching and stay classy.